Okay, so I'm actually uploading a video on how to add a card and why if you already uploaded your video. So now I'm going to show you how to add a card on that video about uploading cards if you're just uploading your video for the first time. So this is me going through, I brought my video in. Um, I uploaded it, and you can check out my other video if you're curious about that. And basically, what we're gonna do is right here, we're just adding some information, my title, my description. I'm gonna click next. Now I'm gonna go add an end screen and add cards. So to add an end screen, I tend to like this one right here, but I'm gonna add something that might be relevant. So this is telling people to subscribe. This right here, if I click on it, I can say, hey, choose a specific video. And I'm actually not going to, because I want the video that I am doing right now to be that video. So I'm not going to actually, no, I will. Yeah, no, I'm not going to add that yet because that's going to go there. But what you can do is, nah, let's do one. Okay, so I'll choose a specific video. Maybe I want people to be able to, hey, I don't know how to upload to YouTube. Let me put that there. So now that is going to happen at the end of my video. I'm going to click save. Then I'm going to go to add cards. So I want to add cards because in a video, maybe I referenced something. So earlier I mentioned, okay, how do I, if I already uploaded my YouTube video, cool. How do I add this? So I would add a card here, for instance. So I could go to where I want in the video, listen to it, and find the spot I want. Click add card. And then a channel would be kind of promoting somebody else's channel, other video. Polls, I can get asked questions. A link is, once you have a certain amount of followers, you'll be able to add a link in there. Video or playlist, I can click create. And I can find the video that I want to have people be able to possibly click on because maybe that's more relevant for them right now. So I could click this, go create card, and then I could go ahead and go, to get out of this one, you don't click save, you go return to YouTube Studio. And then that's it. You'll see you have a check mark by both, so they're both in there. You click next, and then you keep going. So I hope that helps with the cards. And yeah,